Business operators in Porus, Manchester are optimistic business will boom once again now that motorists have to pay a toll to use the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. For nearly 3 years, road users abandoned the alternative route in favor of the free highway. Kimberly Petty has the details.
Every day is Christmas.
Christmas passed 3 days ago, but vendors who ply their trade in Porus, Manchester and surrounding parts are just unwrapping their figurative gifts. The opening of the Williamsfield Highway. They told TVJ News that they are excited to see what business will be like now after a near 3-year drought. In September 2023, the opening of the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the highway punched holes into the pockets of many vendors as vehicular traffic slowed. The highway allowed commuters to bypass several communities such as Clarendon Park, Osborne Store, Tollgate, Scott's Pass, and Porus. But the implementation of the toll, they say, will breathe new life into their businesses into the new year.
Very good, even though a Saturday open, but it look kind of busy. It look like things are going around here.
This bar operator says that she was dealt a hard blow when the toll road opened and allowed free access.
We kind of warm back still, but now that the highway open, I hope it pick up back soon. I get busier now. The 1 and 2 vehicles come through.
And she is not alone.
I'm glad I because boy, I'm suffer. Nearly 3 years now, I'm suffering.
This seasoned entrepreneur shared his ordeal over the years.
The storm, it knocked me, and it's selling again, worse apart me, boy, nothing here selling. Now, boy. Sometimes buy all the orange, sometimes for all a week I don't sell a bag of orange. And still, I just hit my feet out, I still have to dip on the move, just have to do it.
As for Ivan Moore, he had big plans for this board shop, but his dream did not materialize as he later found out business was going to be slow. He had to go back to the drawing board where he opted to do farming. But with a toll charge now in effect, Moore told TVJ News that he is revisiting the idea of having a stall.
The road closed, so we have to just park it. Because I say it open, so yesterday open, so I give thanks. I come down here to weed up and think, I'm ready for it now.
The vendors are also seeking help as many were impacted by the hurricane.
Boy, I'm glad if I get local help. Can put me back on foot, make me start up back as usual again. Because if you check it stall, you hardly even find something. And I know really the storm, but at was the selling. Lose thousands of dollars in the business, nothing going.
And while they are optimistic, they also have concerns.
Business people at the roadside who have them bar, shop, restaurant, let me see how it work out for it. But the road want to fix also. The road, Bay Patrol, the road want to fix.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.